How to clean, oil, maintain ASM911 heavy-duty pattern sewing machine. This film made by David. Please make sure to turn the power switch always off when clean up the sewing machine. Lubrication. The first 30 days is considered to be a sufficient break-in period for a new sewing machine. So in the first month of receiving the machine, please add few drops of oil to all holes with red mark every day. From the second month, we suggest to add a few drops of oil every 3 to 4 days. But every time, when you use the machine, please check the oil level for 2 oil tanks. This is the number 1 oil tank and its oil hole. If the oil is under the red mark level, supply the oil to be over the red mark level. Oil tank should not be too full, leave about 1/5 space from the window top. Number 2 oil tank is at the bottom of the machine, on the right side of shuttle hook area. If the oil is under the red mark level, supply the oil to be over the red mark level, and leave about 1/5 space from the window top. Clean. 1. Daily cleaning. A clean machine is a trouble-free machine. Please clean your machine every time after sewing operation. Remove the dust and the thread waste sticking around the threading parts, or the shuttle hook area, including below, sub-thread tensions. Main thread tensions. Needle and needle bar. Sewing frame. Quick change clamping system. Rotary hook area. When you clean the rotary hook, please take out the bobbin case and take out bobbin. Clean the bobbin and bobbin case by air gun. Install back the bobbin and bobbin case after clean. 2. Weekly cleaning. This is aerosol separator. This is the filter bowl. Under the filter bowl, there is a drain hole. The inside white stuff is filter element. When compressed air passes through the aerosol separator, the condensed water and some dust stains in the air will be filtered. After a certain period of time, the filter bowl and filter element will become dirty. Maybe block the drainage hole. Then the inside condensed water cannot be drained. Note, the water in the filter bowl should not be higher than the filter element. Then you need to clean it. Turn the filter bowl counterclockwise, then take it out. Turn it left by size 9 wrench. Then take out the filter element. Clean the filter bowl and filter element. We suggest to check and clean once a week. Install it back. Turn on the air regulator. 3. Disposing of oil waste. This is the oil drain pan. When have a lot of waste oil in the pan, you need to clean it. There is an waste oil bottle under the machine. Please check and dispose of the waste oil in time. Turn it to the left. You can take it out for cleaning. (4) Annual cleaning. After a year of sewing production, some dust and thread waste will enter to the machine head. You need to remove dust and thread waste regular. Remove the screws, take off cover. You can clean up the dust and thread waste with proper tool. After cleaning, please grease the moving parts. Install back the cover. Keeping your sewing machine properly clean and oiled is essential to maintain a long-lasting machine. If you have any additional question, or contact our engineer at info@automatic-sewing.com. Thank you for your time.